What are we doing, Stuart?
Now we're recording.
So what are we doing, Stuart?
Walking around in the ghetto.
In the ghetto.
Looking for trouble. No, we're walking downtown. We gotta get out of the house for the hurricane.
We just walked past some hookers and we got proposition. Hey, baby.
Oh my god, why are we... How old are you?
16. A desolate land. Oh my god, what happened here? Great. Shaving at the car wash, yeah. Are we there yet? I don't want to name them. Can I? It's like the magic school bus. Let it get any day now. Any day.
Can you get married there?
No, not Catherine. Rebecca Brightbill got married in that one, I think.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, this is the short film I was in, The Street. Very exciting.
Then we're going in there.
Oh, pardon me. Sir, excuse me, pardon me. Sir, excuse me. Sir, pardon me. Sir. Okay.
Nice down here, huh?
Isn't it? Isn't it, sir?
Legs are already sore.
Wuss. How old did they think we were? 16. Like Pokemon Go, I'm 16. Sweet sister. How many videos do I already have down here?
What?
Said, how many videos do I already have down here?
I don't know. Remember we were in the rain though?
There was the hurricane, and there was me and Catherine. Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can to some exotic Jew, par and pom pom bay.
Hey. Okay. No, we're walking around downtown. We gotta get out of the house because of the hurricane or whatever, so we're just walking around, just hanging out,
Are we having a ton of fun?
Yeah. It's nice out here.
Isn't it so?
Better than sitting at home, huh? Bank of America nearest me.
What I found. Don't know what? Yeah, give me a backpack. What does that have to do with anything with a backpack?
Slaps on my butt.
Well, that's because you have big booty. Yeah, you got a big booty. It will come out. It still smells like.
Actually, take your time. Sean and I are
terrible
gonna go get a
death.
sandwich downtown.
What did you find, Stuart?
Another magic hook.
That's a manatee. Where are we? The calm after the storm. Are we there yet?
Now, were you in school before you?
Oh, I was a C student.
A C student?
I was like a C minus
What?
student. Yeah. Not the TV show. There it is. That's the place right there? That one?
Yeah, I think so. You can't really see it.
That's what she said. Good time to feast.
Huh?
What's that Harry Potter
It
scene?
says closed.
Oh, hooker.
Cigarette time.
What?
Stop filming me
Oh, no.
with my drugs.
Calico bricks. What? Why don't we just come here? I guess. Do they have iced coffee here?
Yeah. You want 20 ounce iced coffee?
How big is that? That's the big one, right?
Coffee, porter fries. You would make the house smell like this.
It's a lot of sugar.
Yeah, I know what it is.
You know what?
I know what it is. Stirred the hell
Oh, it
up.
is delectable coffee. Yeah,
Were you walking out here? You were
Yeah,
sitting here.
we were sitting right here in the coffee shop, just talking about nothing. And then I walked her, and I put like a, what do you call the thing? Handcuffs on her, and then we walked out here. Very 50 Shades. This is the 20th video of the season. And the last scene of it.
Womp womp.
Well, I could do more. I don't know what I would do. Life through the blind guy's eyes. What are you doing? What are you filming? What are you doing?
It's a 20th video. Nobody wants to see you chewing on your fingernails.
What are you doing? When did you stop?
I'm still going.
Oh.
Here we are, guys, downtown, drinking super good coffee.
It's so bad.
It's so bad.
It's really sugary.
We're gonna leave out the name of this coffee place on YouTube.
It's coffee, right?
I just zoomed into the coffee.
What is the name? I mean, they're really cool.
The
I like
B-Town
them.
Brown Coffee. What do you
It's
think,
quaint,
Sean?
but like it's really sugary.
Yeah, and their sandwiches come with chips and a pickle. We just bought a sandwich that didn't come with anything, and we had to buy a side of chips, and I didn't get a pickle. Where's my pickle at, Sean?
We at the damn courthouse where the prison people go. Okay. That's right. That's right. I said, don't be mean. Don't be mean. Okay. Don't be mean. I guess we should not have crossed. So where'd you go? Stuart. Where are you going?
Alright, I'm over downtown.
Anyone feel like going to hell? That's where the video ended.